The Volvo S60 Polestar was a very rare vehicle with a really awesome package put out. And with this vehicle being one of only 80 ever produced, precision really does matter. A lot of people think that I'm the only technician who actually is fixing vehicles at the Recon Shop. There is a pretty large team of us, and I'm really excited to share a really cool repair that Shawn, he's the owner, who is typically pretty uncomfortable being on camera. Honestly, by the footage he sent me, I actually feel that he's very confident being on camera. More confident than I would be willing to share some of the angles that he's shared. That being said, this vehicle in the driver's door had about a 2-inch, actually pretty sharp kind of creased dent under the door handle, and Shawn was able to work this out using paintless dent repair by rolling the window down and working this without having to disassemble anything. This dent came out fantastic using paintless dent repair. And remember, if you have damage like this and would like to find out if your vehicle is a candidate for paintless dent repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. We're conveniently located here at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop, and this is a repair by Shawn Silva. Thanks for watching.